In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the TeraBox app not working. First, try restarting your device. A simple reboot can fix background glitches that may cause the app to freeze. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection as login issues can happen due to poor network. If the issue continues, clear the app cache and data. Tap and hold the TeraBox app, then select App Info. Go to Storage and Usage, then tap Clear Data and tap Delete to confirm. You can also reinstall or update the app. Go to the Play Store, search for TeraBox, and check if an update is available. If there is, tap Update. If not, tap Uninstall, then tap Install and wait for it to finish. Once done, open the app and log into your account. And that's it. That's how you fix the TeraBox app not working.